Hi everyone, in this video I will demonstrate the OrbitalChamp welding enhancer remote control. The remote control allows you to control the device wirelessly and get feedbacks from the welding process. It features 3 buttons, 3 LEDs and a toggle switch. The toggle switch turns on and off the remote, keep it off when not in use to extend the battery life. The lower 2 buttons position the welding head to clockwise and counterclockwise. The start button initiates the welding process. If you need to stop the welding for any reason, press either of the lower button to halt the welding process and cut the welding arc. The green LED indicates the start of the welding process, and the red LED indicates the end. The middle blue LED shows a successful Bluetooth connection between the smart box and the mobile app.
If the remote's battery ran out, remove the 4-hex screw to access and recharge the 3 2A batteries.